quality video. Right, Mr. Russell. Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'll be Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'll be installing a 12 volt power source right here on the dash of the Kawasaki Ninja 1000 SX 22 plate. Let's go. Which one?
Oh, maybe.
Hmm. That is fucking annoying,
Screens you off.
Huh?
Screens you off. Can't see what I'm doing. Oh.
into this bed, the thing is that, one screwdriver. I don't think I need to take this off, to be honest.
How did you get it off last time?
I didn't.
Ah.
Got it.
I'm gonna be honest. I'm gonna be honest. I've got a lot of screwdrivers.
You have? I feel like I might just take the fucking fairing off anyway. So I did decide to take the fairing off, and that was just purely because there was not a lot of room behind there. It is quite a fiddly, quite a small area, so if you do have fat fingers like myself, it might be a little bit easier if you do take the fairing off, and gives you a little bit more room to work.
I've got a gas meter box, Keith, if you want one of them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You won't mind. Shalom.
Yeah. 90% of that pile there are screwdrivers.
Who's that one? Oh, Jesus Christ. Bare G's, mate, bare G's.
Bare G's. Got a GoPro adapter thing.
Have you?
A thing. To go around the pole.
Oh, yeah. I remember my first GoPro kit.
What? What?
So I remember my first GoPro kit.
Do you want, and hear me out, do you want some indicator bulbs?
Would you believe, right, the RNG fucking screw things come out? One of the Allen bolts out of that fucking thing.
Was it?
Yeah.
What, big bag of shit?
Yeah. Big bear baggers. Big bear.
I like it when you're on the floor.
Thanks. That wouldn't come out, bastard. Pop rivet. Have I taken everything off there? Apart from this. Play me like a fool. Right guys, so you can see that one that's just taped up there on the 22 models. Just unpeel the tape back a bit. There you go. You can see under there, you just need to pull them two bobbin pins out, and then your connector is there, where there'll be a link in the description where you can buy the connector to connect this. Be on eBay or Amazon. So this is the connector there. Once you get it out, there's a little clip that side, a little clip on that side. Take that off, and then you should be away you go with fitting the new one. Right, that little bastard would not come off. Add some persuasion. So there's clips there, and clips there. You need a gazillion hands. Even with two people, you still can't fucking do it. So that is the connector you need. We'll fuck that off. Go on, Babby. Right, so positive goes to the red wire on this. Again, I'll link this to on there. Waterproof. Plug that on, nice and watertight. It's got obviously a little screw cap. Positive goes to positive, minus goes to negative, which is obviously the black wire. Literally tells you on back of there. Plug them straight onto there. So this, you will need to realise which one is which. So on the bike, there is a blue and white wire. That is your positive. And there's a black and yellow wire. That is your negative. Make sure these correspond when you plug it in. Get one of them multimeters, plug it in, test the polarities, stuff like that. And we'll plug it in, give it a test.
Woohoo, Bobby!
So the hole's slightly too small, so if you get like a curved file, and just go at it. Perfect. The question is, do I want the little flap to be at the bottom or at the top? I think at the bottom, that it's not flapping about, it's not going to get in my way. Little ringlet, put that underneath and screw it on. Is that the bit that holds it in place? Fiddly, fiddly, fiddly. There we go. Let's plug it all in, make sure it's all working. Bob's your uncle. So once you've done that, grab the end. So obviously you do feed it through through this bit here, but for this purpose, I will do that. I'll feed it through. Screw connector on. Make sure that's the right way. And that's not connecting. There we go. What we'll do, give that a test. Job's a good one, Babby. Tidy all this cabling away. We'll get a cable tie and just chuck it up there. Put fairings back together. putting it back together. Oh yeah. Dirty bastard. Job's a good one. So that about does it for me, guys. 12-volt power source on the bike. It took us about an hour and a half, 2 hours, to be honest. It's really fiddly. But yeah, peace.